Hey guys, it's a ride day, fun day, Sunday. I'm here with my buddies. I'm not wearing the mic today. Let's go to Padre Pio today on a rainy morning. Anyway guys, yesterday I just got the bike washed and now it's raining. Sucks. So after this, I'm for sure I'll wash the bike. I'll wash the bike at home this time. But anyway, I need to catch up to these guys. These guys are fast and furious. So I have two folding bikes, yeah? One with the fenders and one without. I brought the one without the fenders. I didn't know because I thought it was just simple fog. It was still dark out, so I thought the sun would just rise up and remove the clouds, but that's not the case. So yeah, we're gonna be enjoying biking today on a nice rainy, wet day. Anyway guys, it's a rainy morning. I don't know where my friends are. I know they're right behind me. Far away. So yabang. But yeah, rainy morning, we're going to Padre Pio. I think it's in Santo Tomas, so I think we're about nearby. But yeah, the roads are really wet. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Oh, this is cool. Nice. See how... I've only been here 2 times. This is my 2nd time here. So let's see how. Oh, nice. This is spacious. I guess this is the parking area. Still over. I think there is a mass happening right now. Check this out. Oh my god. Hi. Oh, there's the cross. There's Cherby. Here at Padre Pio, we're in the parking lot. I'm not sure if you can go in, but I wonder where my buddies are. I guess I was just too fast, right? And look how dirty the bike is. So bad. Big mistake, guys, but honestly not really a mistake because this makes it even safer. So I'm thinking of switching these tires, these wheels to the fender bike, and then switch the Kojaks over here. As you can see, really gunky, really dirty. Padre Pio, the entrance. So as you can see, they're constructing a new arch thing. So yeah, it's a rainy day, but honestly it's pretty fun. I'm really looking forward to breakfast. We're gonna be having goto at Babe's Goto, so I'm really excited about that. Having coffee and having fun. Let's all have fun. So good. It's keeping my head dry. Yeah, it has air vents, but my head feels really dry and I feel protected, and yeah. Let's go. On our way back, on our way to Babe's Grotto, something piping hot, perfect for this weather. Let's go. But breakfast is here. Hey guys, I'm here at Babe's Gotong Batangas and Inihaw na Liempo. Right here, I think this is still Barangay Talisay or Barangay Lumbang, but it's just nearby each other. Just parked the bike here. Nice and wet day, perfect soup. Soup for breakfast. Yeah, we have soup for breakfast here in the Philippines. I'll show you in a bit. So delicious. Morning. 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 Hey guys.
Hi.
Your bike is the cleanest one.
Pero yung likod kayo
Liempo Silog right here, and this is the Batangas Goto. So perfect with like fresh onions. Got some fresh onions in here. You have to, it needs a little bit of heat, so you'll need a little chili right here. And of course, to make it a little bit more healthier, put some calamansi in there. So delicious. Parang wala din yung ano, yung pagbibisikleta and eating like this.
okay lang. Yan sa Lomi. Nagpipilas-plo na lang ako.
That is so good. That is so refreshing.
Pinas-plo.
Got some liempo right here. Delicious. Grilled pork belly. And sinangag.
Babe din. Babe.
That is sizzling.
Ikot lang. Sukatin na lang natin para
Pero ano, for sure medium ako, hindi ako small. For sure. Pero minsan, pinipilit ko small because, yeah, but I think getting older, you have a tendency to be more flabby. Yeah. 32 folding bikes, 1 Dahon, and 1 360. Really nice. The bike unfolded. On the way home, finally, dry roads. Okay guys, just got home. Look, the bike is so dirty after the wash yesterday, so I gotta clean it. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'll be washing it with some soap, car soap for my cars. I have a sponge, I have a chamois, and I got a bucket for the soap. Let's go wash this thing. Check out the amount of dirt is on this bike. Makes you second guess to remove the fenders or not. OMG. Alright guys, let's wash this baby. So gotta remove this. So oh my gosh, how do you remove this one? Gotta remove this. Alright. Put this one aside. Oh. All that dirt. Oh my gosh. Gotta remove all this. Look how gonky it is. Alright, that wraps it up. The bike is clean. So, till next time, safe ride. Cheers.